Now, the Cape Winelands and the West Coast areas remain on level 6 of disruptive weather, while the Overberg and other regions have been downgraded to level 4. Officials say they are monitoring dam levels as they remain a concern for certain areas during this time. Disaster teams are collaborating with the Education Department to assess the situation, particularly for the upcoming matric exams. Pupils are writing those exams, and while there are no plans to close schools in these areas at this time, authorities are urging for caution.
So we received a warning on Friday for disruptive rain, also for a level 4 warning for wind and wave height. That was revised yesterday up to a level 6 warning. We just received the news approximately 10 to 8 this morning that that has been revised. We will be receiving that news, but sort of unofficially, if I can say that. The weather services will make it official. The level 6 is in place for Cape Winelands and for the West Coast. The Overberg will be a downgraded, and then in the city, the warning will be rescinded. So I think our biggest concern is, well, we are looking at the dam levels. So we've been managing dams overnight, releasing water in certain areas to make sure that the dams have got capacity. So we obviously roads with the wind. Then, fortunately, with the warning in the city, not as severe anymore, because informal settlement's always a problem. And then, of course, routes to school, because it starts late this afternoon or evening and goes through tomorrow, and it's matric exam time. So we are speaking to our Department of Education to see how we will manage that. There's no talk at this stage of closing schools. I don't think that will happen, but at least we must just manage it so we can ensure that the exams go off without too many problems.